morning everyone. So this morning I'm up dead early. I'm going to go up the Northumberland Coastal Route and stop off on a few ways on the way up. I've got the drone with us, so I'm going to set the drone up. So let's go. So first stop is Cresswell, and the reason I've chose Cresswell is because I've got a great affinity with this place. Obviously used to live up in Ellington, which is about, I don't know, a mile and a half from here. So as kids, you know, used to come down here and play in the dunes, and Grandma would bring me down, go to the Drifting Cafe, which is just around the corner there, get some chips and sit on the beach. But it's a beautiful beach here. I mean, we've got lovely sand, powder sand, you know, just all these dunes. I'm just walking through here to get to the main beach. So just continue to walk on. Sun's just coming up. It's just gone 6:20 in the morning. Frosty, but it's better this morning. It's meant to warm up, so all's not lost. But here you come through, look at this. What a morning. Sun shining, hardly anyone around. Absolutely beautiful. So here, so you've got the dunes. And then from here, if you look this way, you've got Cresswell village just up at the top. And then looking back this way, you can see it's a massive stretch of beach. And it's about 9 miles long. And I don't know if you can see on there, but up in that top corner is Amble Lighthouse. So you can walk all the way from Cresswell, all the way along to Amble, all the way along here. So it's an absolutely beautiful stretch of beach. This for me it's probably the best beach in Northumberland for me. I mean, I might be biased because I used to live here, but look at it, it's just amazing, I think. Morning surfers out there, look. I've nothing seen them down Cresswell. Up here, towards this way, this is all kind of Durage Bay along here. So he went out of focus there. And then just stretches all the way along Amble, and you can just see there in the middle of the screen on that little island, that's Amble Lighthouse. It's actually looked quite rough today. I thought it would have been quite calm because there's not a breath of wind this morning. But yeah, this is Cresswell. And all these dunes, I mean, as a kid, these were just fantastic playing in these dunes. Just to come down with a Mum and Dad used to bring us down in a bin bag, let you slide down the dunes in a bin bag, you know. And a bit further up, my mate from Denmark, is it? We came up here one night after we'd finished college in '99, and we just brought a load of beers and brought college work, and we just had fire in the dunes, burnt all our college work. Just got absolutely trashed in the dunes. There was no one around. It was absolutely brilliant, you know. So yeah, this place is brilliant. It just holds so many memories. I mean, just look at this. What a morning. This is the old boatyard. There's loads of fishers keep their boats here, obviously. Big fishing place. This is just at the back of the dunes in Cresswell. See, yeah, they just have great fun in these dunes, jumping off and rolling down, but yeah, the sand here is lovely. It's so like white and powdery. It's a hidden gem, really. I'm surprised it doesn't get mentioned more in sort of tourist places, and it's always sort of Bamborough, which we'll go to in a bit, but this for me is the best beach. I could be biased, but so this is one of the holiday parks I mentioned. This is Golden Sands. This is quite a big one. This is the clubhouse here. That fella's just getting out his car, look behind. And it's actually quite a big site. And to be fair, so is the other one. Cresswell Towers. But yeah, it's big. Nice beach across the road again. Nice and see, it's right across the road. Dunes. It's a bit rocky here. This building here is Cresswell Ices. It's the local ice cream parlour, obviously. This gets really busy in the summer, but as you can see, Cresswell Village, it's tiny. This is Cresswell Towers. This one's a massive site as well. This one doesn't look much from the front, but when you get inside, I think it's even got a swimming pool. Go in and it stretches back for miles. It goes right into the woods all the way back here. So this behind us here is Cresswell Tower, and legend has it that it's haunted by somebody called the White Lady, and the White Lady used to sit in the tower and look out to sea, which is just over, this way, waiting for her man to come back. And apparently his ship crashed and she jumped to her death, and apparently she's been seen on the beach plenty of times, maybe certain times a year. I can't remember what the whole story is, but if anybody can remember it, put it in the comments below. But yeah, that's the story, and bit of creepy folklore for you.